Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I'm just going to share with you real quick my quick little update and decoration of my back patio. It is not all complete. I will be decorating the tree and doing a little bit more decorations, and you'll see that in my outside home tour. So let's get into it. Pillow covers are a great way to update your decor, whether it's seasonal or you just want to update maybe your back pillows or something like that. They have indoor-outdoor pillowcases, but it's just a great way and a very inexpensive way to update a space, whether it's outside or inside.
Jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now.
I always love to update my fairy garden and just whether I'm planting new plants in it or just updating the decor for every season. I think it's just once you purchase, the items, it's just an inexpensive way to just decorate the outside and just make it festive.
This Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
Making my back patio is always so nice and cozy because being in Arizona, we spend a lot of time outside and during this time of year. So it's just nice to be able to sit out there and even have a dinner or just, sit out and talk with the family. So I always really enjoy making it nice and festive and cozy.
That we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you some great ideas and some inspiration to just kind of cozy up a patio of yours, whether you can sit out there or just maybe putting some lights up or a tree. It's just fun to make your home and your outside of your home just as festive as can be. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you will subscribe and like and share this out to others that might be inspired as well, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.